Let's talk Azure File Storage. Azure Data Lake Storage is a hyperscale data lake solution for running big data analytics. This specialized storage service in Azure is engineered for analytic workloads and offers a wide range of capabilities, optimized for both data analytics and general-purpose storage. Types: Azure Data Lake Storage comes mainly in two versions. 1. Gen 1, legacy version, suitable for batch-oriented and analytics workloads. 2. Gen 2, enhanced capabilities like a hierarchical file system, improved data analytics performance, and fine-tuned security management. Features: Hierarchical namespace organizes objects, files, and directories into a hierarchy, much like a file system. Multi-protocol access supports Azure Blob and Azure Data Lake Storage APIs. Data Lake Analytics integration, seamlessly integrated with Azure Data Lake Analytics. Security, robust security measures like Azure Active Directory integration, back, and encryption. Scalability, built for high-speed and secure data analytics. Capacity: storage account limit, can store petabytes of data. File size, no practical limit on file size, enabling highly scalable analytics jobs. Purpose and usage: big data analytics, suited for massive data lakes that serve as repositories for raw data. Data warehousing, used in conjunction with Azure Synapse Analytics for sophisticated analytics solutions. IoT applications, capable of handling large streams of real-time data. Making use of Azure Data Lake Storage. 1. Initialization: create a new Azure Data Lake Storage account via the Azure portal. 2. Configuration: enable hierarchical namespace and other features based on your requirements. 3. Data ingestion: populate the data lake using Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks, or HD Insight. 4. Data analysis: directly run analytics with services like Azure Synapse Analytics. In summary, what? Azure Data Lake Storage is a hyperscale repository designed for big data analytics. Types: available in Gen 1 for legacy applications and Gen 2 for enhanced performance and features. Features: offers hierarchical namespace, multi-protocol access, analytics integration, and robust security. Capacity: designed to handle petabytes of data with no practical limit on individual file sizes. Purpose and usage: primarily used for big data analytics, data warehousing, and IoT applications. Utilization: created and managed via the Azure portal, populated using various Azure data services, and designed for analytics compatibility. Thanks for watching.